Alright guys, for those that want to know about the Paracord scissors, this is it right here. It is actually bird nail clippers. I am at Petco right now and you can purchase this to cut paracord. I think it's the best scissors to cut paracord. See? Right there. Nice and round. Fits the paracord perfect. You and me, bird nail clippers. And that's what I use to cut my paracord, guys. And here's another one for dogs and cats. This was $8.29. See, it says nail scissors for puppies, kittens, and extra small breeds. I don't know why this one costs more. It does the same thing.